With this machine, this is a fly machine, and it's a two-in-one machine, meaning I can do a chest fly, and I can also do a rear delt fly. I'm going to show the chest fly first. With this, my adjustments are here. I want to adjust the seat by disengaging this pin outwards, and I can move this up and down. I'll get that adjusted so when I sit here, my arms are out to the sides, and my elbows are slightly lower than my hands. My next adjustment is here. If it's too far forward, that's not allowing enough stretch. And then obviously, if it's too far back, that's dangerous. That's too much stress on my shoulder. So I'm going to find someplace in between. So if my arms are out to the side, from here, once again, pinch my shoulder blades, my chest is out, my eyes are up, and then from here, just like I'm hugging a big barrel or a tree, I'm bringing those together, keeping a slight bend in my elbow to protect the elbow itself. So from here, I'm working on my contraction and extension. Okay, if I want to adjust to the other portion, I don't have to readjust my seat because I'm already adjusted for my height. From here, I simply disengage the pin, put it all the way forward, and then from here, I'm going to isolate the back portion of my deltoids, or the posterior deltoid. From here, I grab the handles, have my chest against the pad, and then I just do a reverse fly. Slight bend in my elbows, and I really want to focus on the back portion of my shoulders. When you're done, sit back and up.